Welcome students. In today's class we will learn some special examples on matrix multiplication. As in previous videos we have studied matrix multiplication and some properties based examples on the matrix multiplication. Here there are some more examples on the matrix multiplication. So see here. The first question is, if A is a 1 3 by 3 matrix, then we have to find out the A square minus 5A plus 6I. So we have to find out this expression. What is the value of this expression? So this expression contains A square and minus 5A plus 6I, where I is the identity matrix. So they have not given any order. That means we have to consider the order as the question requires. So according to question we have to take the identity matrix, either it is 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 as so on. Okay, so we will solve this. So see here. In this expression there are the three terms, that is A square minus 5A plus 6I. First I will find out what is A square. So A square means, A square is A into A. Okay, A into A. So whenever you will multiply A to the A, you will get the A square. So before multiplying we have to check the condition for multiplication. A matrix order is 3 by 3. Again A matrix order is 3 by 3. Here the number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. So we can multiply A to the A. So our A matrix is 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 0. Okay. And next again A matrix. We have to multiply A to the A. So again A matrix is 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 0. Okay. Next I will multiply A to the A. So how we can multiply the matrices? First row to the first column. 2 2s are 4. 0 into 2, 0, 1 into 1, 1. So first element is okay. Next element, first row, second column. 2 0 0, 0 into 1 0, 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1. Next 2 0 1 2, 1 3 0. 2 1s are 2, 0 plus 0. Okay. First row is over. We will move to the next row. Second row, first column. 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2, 3 1s are 3. Next 0 plus 1 minus 3, 2 plus 3 plus 0. Okay. Done. Next last row to the first column. 2 minus 2 plus 0. 1 2s are 2, minus 1 into 2, minus 2 plus 0. Next 1 0, 0, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 0 into 0. Okay. Next 1 into 1, 1, minus 1 into 3, minus 3, 0 into 0, 0. Okay. Now the matrix multiplication over. So we will solve the elements. What you will get? 5 minus 1, 2. Next 4 plus 2 plus 3, 9, minus 2, and here 5. And here 2 minus 2, 0. Next minus 1 and here minus 2. So this is our A square value. So I will take our expression A square minus 5A plus 6I. Okay, I will substitute 1 by 1. You know A square value? Yes, write down. 5 minus 2, 9 minus 2, 5, 0, minus 1, minus 2. Next minus 5 into A, that is 2 0 1, 2 1 3, 1 minus 1 0 plus 6 into I. I is the identity matrix. So according to this expression, what will be the order? 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix, identity matrix also 3 by 3. So I will write 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Next. So before adding, there is a scalar multiplication. So you have to multiply 5 to the whole matrix, 6 to the whole matrix. So 5 minus 1 2 9 minus 2 5 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus, I have to multiply 5, 5 2s are 10, 0 5 10 5 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 into minus 1, minus 5, 5 into 0, 0. Okay? Next. 6 into 6 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6. So next, how we can solve? So I have to subtract these two matrices, then for the result I have to add this matrix. So first I will subtract these two. 5 minus 10 minus 5 minus 1 minus 0 minus 1 2 minus 5 minus 3. Next 9 minus 10 minus 1 minus 2 minus 5 minus 7 5 minus 15 minus 10 0 minus 5 minus 5 minus 1 plus into plus, sorry, minus into minus plus minus 1 plus 5, that is plus 4. Next minus 2 minus 0 minus 2 plus 6 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6 as it is. So final answer I will write here. Minus 5 plus 6. What you will get? Minus 5 plus 6, that is 1. Minus 1 plus 0. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 7 plus 6. What you will get? Minus 1 minus 10 plus 0 minus 10 minus 5 plus 0 minus 5 4 plus 0 4 minus 2 plus 6 plus 4. So this is the value of our given expression, a square minus 5a plus 6i. Okay? So like this we can solve the questions. So please pause it and write down it. I will move to the next example. Okay. Like this we can solve the equations also. Okay. Shall I move to the next one? Okay. So next question will be like this. It may occur for 5 marks in your annual examination. If a matrix is like this, 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. Again 3 by 3 matrix, then show that a cube minus 23a minus 40i equal to 0. Okay. So here they have given a is a 3 by 3 matrix. We have to show that this equation is equal to 0. The value of this one is equal to 0. Next. So what is this here equation? A cube minus 23a minus 40i equal to 0. So first you have to find out the a cube and you have to multiply 23 to the a and 40 into I. I is again a identity matrix. According to this equation you have to take the order. So I have to find out the a cube. How we can find out the a cube? So a cube means I have to take a square into a. So when I will multiply a square into a, you will get the a cube. So first for a cube we required a square. So a square we can find out by a into a. So this means we have to multiply a matrix here 2 times. For the result again I have to multiply the a to get the a cube. Okay. So first I will find out the a square. A square is 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, a, and next I have to multiply to the a. 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. Okay. Next I have to multiply a to the a. I will write here. The a square will be first row, first column 1 into 1 plus 2 3 are 6, 3 4 are 12. Okay. Next first row, second column. First row, second column. 1 2 are 2, 2 2 minus 4. Next 3 2 are 6. 1 2 are 2, 2 2 are minus 4, 3 2 are 6. Next 1 3 are 3, 2 1 are 2. Next what you will get? See here. Three plus 2, 3 ones are 3. Okay. So next, that is second row to the first column. 3 ones are 3. First row, second row, first column. 3 ones are 3 minus 2 into 3, that is minus 6, 1 into 4 plus 4, 3 2s are 6, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4, 1 into 2, 2, 4. Next second row, third column. 3 3s are 9, minus 2 into 1, minus 2, 1 into 1, 1. Next 4 2 1, 4 ones are 4, 4, 3 2 6, 2 6, 1 4 are 4. Next third row, second column. 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are minus 4, 1 into 2, 2. 4 3s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 1 1s are 1. So what will be our a square value? A square value is 1 plus 6 plus 12. 19. Okay, we have to add this. 2 minus 4 plus 6, 4. Okay. Next 3, 2, 3. That is 8. Next 3 minus 6 plus 4. What you will get? 1, 6 plus 4, 10, 12, 9, that is 8, and here 14, and here 6, and this is 15. This is our a square. But for a cube, a square into a. So I have to multiply a square to the a. So what will be our a square? 19, 4, 8, 1, 12, 8, 14, 6, 15 into, so I have written here a square, that is 19 4 8, 112 8, 14 6 15, and I have to multiply to the a. A is here, that is write down correctly 1 2 3, 3 minus 2 1, 4 2 1. So I have to multiply a square to the a to get the a cube value. For a cube value I will continue here, please note down. So I will rub it. Okay. So I will continue here. A cube. For a cube I have to again do the multiplication. Again 3 by 3 matrix. So I can multiply. First row to the first column. 19 ones are 19. 4 3s are 12. 8 4s are 32. Okay. Next, first row, second column. 19 2s are 38. 4 minus 2 minus 8. 8 12 2s are 16. Next, 19 3s are, what you will get? 19 3s are 57 plus 4 plus 8. Okay. Next, for the second one, 1 12 8. Second row to the first column. 1 12 3s are 36. 8 4s are 32. Okay. Next, second row, second column. 2 minus 24. 8 2s are 16. 3 12 plus 8. Next, 14 ones are 4, 6 3s are 18, 15 4s are 60. Okay. Next, again 14 2s are 28, 6 2s are minus 12, 15 2s are 30. Okay. Next, 14 3s are, what you will get? 52 or 42? 42. Okay. Next, 14 3s are 42, 6 1s are 6, 15 1s are 15. So next I have to add these all and solve this one. 19 plus 12 plus 32. What you will get? 19 plus 12 plus 32. 44. 44 plus 19. What you will get? 44, 54, 54. That is 63. Okay. 38 minus 8 plus 60. 46. Next, 57 plus 4. 61. 61 plus 8. 69. Next, 36 plus 32. 68 plus 1. 69. 2 minus 24. Minus 22. Minus 22 plus 16. That is minus 6. 12 plus 8. 20. 20 plus 3. 23. Here, 14 plus 18. 32. 32 plus 60. 92. 28 plus 48. Sorry, 28 plus 30. 58. 58 minus 12. 46. 42 plus 6. That is 48. 48 plus 15. That is 63. Okay. So we got a cube. So I will rub this. So after a cube, what we can do? So I have to find out the next term, that is minus 23a, minus 40i. So we can directly find out what will be the answer. That's why I will consider all this equation, LHS side. I will take the LHS and I have to prove that this is equal to 0. Okay. So the expression is a cube minus 23a minus 40i. Okay. So a cube is 63, 46, 69, 69 minus 6, 23, 92, 46, 63. Okay? Next, minus 23 into A. 23 into A, that is 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 4, 2, 1. Minus 40I. Minus 40I. That is, I means I have to take the identity matrix. All matrix order is 3 by 3, so I have taken 3 by 3 matrix only. Next, I will keep this as it is. A cube minus, so I have to multiply 23, so I will multiply. 23 ones are 23, 23 twos are 46, 69. 23 threes are again 69 minus 23 twos are 46. Okay? Next, 23 ones are 23, 23 fours are 92, 23 twos are 46, 23 ones are 23, and next I have to multiply 40 to the our identity matrix. 40, 0, 0, 0, 40, 0, 0, 0, 40. So I have to add and subtract as they have given. So first I will subtract these two. Okay, then I will take the third one. 36 minus 23, 40. 46 minus 46, 0. 69 minus 69, 0. First row is over. Next, 69 minus 69, 0. Minus 6, minus into minus, plus 46. Minus 6 plus 46, plus 40. Okay. Next, 23 minus 23, 0. 99 minus 92, 92 minus 92, 0. 46 minus 46, 0. 63 minus 23, 40. Minus our third matrix, that is 40, 0, 0, 0, 40, 0, 0, 0, 40. Okay. So after this, what you will get? We will get the 40 minus 40, 0. All are zeros. So we will get a 0 matrix. But you may have the doubt that they have given to prove that 0 and here they have given the 0 matrix. Both are 0 because see here, these all are the matrix multiplication properties of matrix and the answer is they have given 0, means here is matrix is there, so this side also matrix should be there. So this 0 is nothing but a 0 matrix. Okay. So finally we have got the 0 matrix, hence we proved this equation LHS equal to RHS. Okay. So I will move to the next one easy and important example. Please note down all these. So take down the next question. If A equal to 2 by 2 matrix, that is 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2, and I equal to identity matrix of second order, identity matrix means here 1 you have to get. Then find K so that A square is equal to Ka minus 2i. Okay. So here they have given that A is a 2 by 2 matrix, I is a identity matrix. Then we have to find the value of K. So see here, K is a small letter, that means it is a scalar, not a matrix. You have to find out the value of this scalar where this A and K satisfy this equation. So LHS equal to RHS they have given, I have to find out the K value. So before solving this, first I have to find out the LHS and RHS, then I have to equate both. So first I will take the A square. A is 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. A square means A into A. So I will multiply. 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. So 2 by 2 matrix multiplication is very easy. 3 3s are 9 minus 2 into 4 minus 8. 3 2s are minus 6 minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. Okay. 4 3s are 12 minus 2 into 4. Minus 2 into 4 is minus 8. 4 2s are minus 8 minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. So our A square value is 9 minus 8, that is 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4. Okay. Next is RHS, that is Ka minus 2i. That is K into A, that is 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2 minus 2 into I, that is 1 0 0 1. So we will get 3K minus 2K. So I have to multiply scalar multiplication. 4K minus 2K, then minus 2. 2 0 0 2. We know the scalar multiplication easily. So multiply 3K minus 2. Sorry, subtraction. 3K minus 2 minus 2K minus 0, that is minus 2K. 4K minus 0, 4K minus 2K minus 2 as it is. So this is our Ka minus 2i. So they have given that A square is equal to Ka minus 2i. So I will equate both. Ka minus 2i. So A square is our matrix 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4 is equal to 3K minus 2 minus 2K, 4K, 2K minus 2. So if both the matrices are equal, what is the condition? We can equate the corresponding elements. First element to the first, second element to the second. So I will take any element. You can take any element, you will get the same answer for the K value. So which element I can take? So I will take the first element only. Okay. So first element is 1 and here 3K minus 2. So if I move this minus to this side, plus 2 is equal to 3K. So 3 is equal to 3K. If I move this 3 this side, 3 by 3 is equal to K. So this implies that K value is equal to 1. So you can check for next any terms. For all 4 elements you will get the K value only. Okay. So please note down all these. So these are the some special examples on matrix multiplication which may occur for your annual examination. So with this I will conclude the matrix multiplication in the matrices chapter. Okay. Thank you.